Most people think storms are just weather, but they've never seen what's hiding inside the clouds. When the sky turns a bruised purple and the air tastes like cold copper, you aren't witnessing physics, you're being hunted. The Thunderbird is no mere legend. Its wingspan stretches across the horizon, casting a shadow that can swallow entire valleys. Every blink of its obsidian eyes shatters the silence with jagged lightning, while its massive talons grip the wind itself. It hunts the great serpents of the deep, dragging them into the heavens during a feast of sparks and sulfur. You think the rumble in your chest is just sound, but it's actually the heartbeat of a god. The next time the horizon turns black, look closer at the clouds, because most people think storms are just weather.